আসসালামু আলাইকুম মাই ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স। আমরা এখন যাচ্ছি দলিয়াবাড়ির দিকে। এখানে একটা মজার ব্যাপার আছে, সেটা হলো যে এই দেলুয়াবাড়িটা এখানে নাকি হাঁসের মাংস পাওয়া যায়, কালাই রুটি পাওয়া যায় এবং সেটা অত্যন্ত চমৎকার করে খাওয়া যাবে। আর আমরা এখন যাচ্ছি কুসুম্বা মান্দা থেকে দলিয়াবাড়ি বাজারের দিকে যাচ্ছি। রাস্তার পার্শ্বটা চমৎকার, এটা চোখে না দেখলে বিশ্বাস করা যায় না। দৃষ্টিনন্দন অসাধারণ প্রাকৃতিক দৃশ্য নিয়ে এই রাস্তাটা, যা দেখতেই অনেক সুন্দর লাগছে, চমৎকার লাগছে। রাস্তা এবং সব কিছু মিলে অসাধারণ একটা প্রাকৃতিক দৃশ্যের সৃষ্টি করেছে। এই তো এখন বিকাল, আর শীতের এই বিকালটা এবং সূর্য এবং তার যে মিষ্টি রোদ, এটা আকর্ষণীয় এবং চমৎকার। আমরা এখন যাচ্ছি সেই দেলুয়াবাড়ির দিকে। দেলুয়াবাড়ি পৌঁছে আমরা খাওয়ার জন্য প্রিপারেশান নেব। দেখা যাক সেখানে আমরা কেমন উপভোগ করি। আশা করি তোমরা আমার সাথেই থাকবে এবং দেখবে যে দেলুয়াবাড়ি সেই রুটির দোকানে কালাই রুটিটা কেমন হয়। আমরা সেখানে যাচ্ছি, তোমরা সাথেই থাকো। Welcome to my channel, my dear viewers. Now I have come to Deluabari, Manda, Naogaon district to enjoy the real rural feature of our country. You will be puzzled to see that all the things are simple and very nice, and the people are also very friendly, and they are very nice, and this area is very much friendly, and the local area is very nice. And at lunch time now, I have come here only to have some snacks, and it will be too much interesting to know that Kalai Ruti in our area, local people call it Kalai, and now I can Kalai Ruti with the smash of the eggplant, and the people are making their Kalai Ruti with the necessary elements, and the environment is very simple and enjoyable also. Though it is a semi-town, not very important and very smart, but the situation is really lovely and lifelike and enjoyable also. People come here only to enjoy the Kalai Ruti. I mean the bread which is made specially for some special customers, and the people are busy making this roti. And this is eggplant smash, and this is chili smash, and that is onion, and it is mustard oil. All these things will be mixed together, and it will be eaten with the roti, which is very fine, and all the people come here to enjoy it. Now I shall eat a Kalai Ruti. Please give me one, and I want to taste how it would be and how it will be, and it will be nice, I hope. And especially I don't like to eat too much. It will be nice for me without chili, because I can't bear a lot of chili actually. Without chili, and the bread is very nice to me. So my dear viewers, now you can easily see that I am going to take a roti with the chili, and it will be nice for me. And when some people come here, though it is local people, they also sometimes come here to enjoy the Kalai Ruti, because it is only for Ruti. You will get nothing here. Some other hotels will supply you different kind of foods, but this hotel, I mean this restaurant, will supply you only Kalai Ruti, which is special. And the people here are very active. They are making the roti very nicely, and they are busy all the time. They are busy making it. So my dear viewers, I hope all the things will be easy and simple for you, and I hope it will be nice for you also. Now I am going to eat the Kalai Ruti. It's nice, really. It is fresh and tasty. It is really fresh and tasty. Wow. It is very nice with the eggplant smash. Too much nice. I can enjoy a lot. And it's really fine. Okay. I shall talk to you later after finishing my meal. I want to enjoy it. My dear viewers, now I am making this video with my nephew, that is Wahidur Rahman Wahi. He is always with me and he is very helpful and useful in my life, and he does all kind of activities especially for me. Today I have come here with him and he is now enjoying the Kalai Ruti with the eggplant smash. Wahi, I hope you are enjoying it and it will be nice for you. And I think that it seems very tasty to you also, and all the things are very nice and everything is going on. I hope you will be very nice and you will be happy to enjoy it. And after enjoying this Kalai Ruti, we shall go back to Rajshahi. So my dear viewers, follow us.